To import video footage from a FireWire camcorder, you can hook up your camera to your computer and put it into playback or VCR mode. Then we can move over towards the left-hand side and click on the button to open up the camera import window. There's also a keyboard shortcut of Command-I. Inside of this new window, we can then move down to the lower left-hand corner. You can see my camera is chosen. This is a Canon ZR-40. I can also click on the menu and choose to import from my built-in iSight camera. We'll leave it set to the DV camera. There's also a slider over to the left for automatic and manual mode. When I'm in automatic mode and I click import over to the right, the tape will rewind, all of the footage will be imported, the tape will then stop and rewind again. If I click on manual, now I can choose what video footage I want to import from my tape. Over to the right, I can then use the transport controls. There's a play button, stop button, rewind, and fast forward buttons. To import my video footage, I'll move over to the right-hand side and click import. In the small dialog that opens up, I have some options. With the menu at the very top, I can choose where I want to save this footage. I have my Macintosh hard drive selected. I can choose to add this to an existing event in my event library or create a new event. When you create a new event, it takes a default name of the date. And you have an option for splitting the days into new events. There's also a checkbox for analyzing the footage for stabilization. This is a new feature in iMovie 09. I'll leave that unchecked for my example. And then we'll click Import. My camera then goes into playback mode and my video footage is imported. When I want to stop importing, I can click Stop on the right-hand side. And to close the import window, I can click Done. On the left-hand side of my workspace, I have a new event of today's date, and it contains all of the footage that I imported.